Hey everyone, welcome once again to another Kremzeek reviews, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. This is Transformers Age of the Primes Air Raid from the Aerialbot team. So, as you can see from the box, there's Superion and there's Air Raid in his F-15 mode, which kind of looks like a bit chunkier or like a chibi F-15. And there's the rest, of course, of the Primes. So we are going to unbox, of course, Air Raid, and he is one of 5 from the Aerialbots. And here he is, he's still in his twist ties, and here he is in his robot mode, and he comes with some, this one's the tail of the plane or the jet, of course, which is separated, I don't know. So I guess we just have to put that there in the back of his feet. And this is his weapons, which are 2 guns that kind of resembles like a Gatling gun or something, or a machine gun, or maybe cannons, maybe. But with Air Raid, he is the fastest among the Aerialbots because he's an F-15, just like the Seekers. So as you can see, his head rotates. Nope, the chest doesn't open. His arm moves outward. It's got bicep swivel. It's got elbow articulation. Doesn't have any wrist rotation, but it folds inwards. He's got waist rotation as well. And these legs, the splits, moves forward, backwards. And it's got some thigh swivel and ankle rocking as well. So let me just fix his arms here. So there we have Air Raid. So I think it's better if you rotate this part of the tail so he could just stand more easily. Because if you point it downwards, it kind of gets in the way of his heels. So there you have it.
The Transformers will return after these messages. We now return to the Transformers.
So here you are once again, and we're back, and we are going to transform him into his alt mode, which is an F-15 Eagle. So first things first, we fold the arms like this, and the other one as well. So as you can see, the Aerialbots has always been the easiest robots to transform because they're basically so simple. Their designs are so simple. Like most of the cable is in the back, and you just make sure you rotate the head inwards so it doesn't show underneath when he's in his jet mode. So you tab these arms on the side, bring down the wings, and as for the feet, you are going to untab the front and the back of the legs towards the upper portion of the legs. And as you can see on the knee part there's some like thrusters looking. So that will be the end part of the jet. So make sure that the stabilizers are also in line. And make sure this is in a 90-degree angle here, just like that. Make sure it's all tabbed in. As you can see on top, it's already the F-15 Eagle. And for the rest of the feet, you just fold it in underneath. And there we have our F-15 Eagle. So I'm not sure if it has any landing gear. So we are going to attach his weapons on the wings. Just like that. And at first I thought this was a landing gear, but I don't think it is. Probably not. So here he is in his F-15 Eagle alt mode for Air Raid. Now for size comparison, Air Raid is a deluxe figure. And Scrapper here, another Age of the Primes character or figure, which is a Voyager class. And here is a deluxe size Quake. As you can see, Quake is taller than the rest of them. So these guys are just keep getting smaller and smaller. So I guess these combiners or The Autobots and Decepticon teams are getting smaller. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my review. Until next time.
The Transformers will return after these messages.